What up, everybody? Are you looking to be a dogecoin millionaire? Well, here's your shot with Dogether. If you haven't seen my last video on it, you should go check it out. But this is a new GPU mineable ETH hash mineable dog meme coin. As you guys know, those meme coins, when they pump hard. I definitely recommend getting in on this coin super early. I'm going to go over some things I like about it, some things I don't like about it, some things you might want to keep in mind about this project. But overall and all, I just want to say I plan on stacking a decent sized bag of this project, because if it can 1100x, yeah, this coin's only 5 days old. It's in a ripe spot to pick some up. If you're just going to go ahead and buy some coin, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on that. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what your GPU mining on, what you're mining with, what you're trying to mine. Yeah, like always, look at the links down below in the description. Help out the channel, help yourself out. Let's get into this video. Okay, so we're going over Dogether. I went over this yesterday, but we're just going to cover it. It's essentially just a GPU mineable knockoff version of Doge, like one-to-one Dogecoin knockoff. Their website's extremely simple, not much going on. It's EVM compatible, so you're just going to add it over to your MetaMask. I touched on that shortly in my video. Currently, the block reward is 40,000, and the team gets 4,000 after a height of 21 million or 100, really big number. It'll go to 4,000 goes to the miners for the block reward and 0 to the team. So some interesting tokenomics for sure. Yesterday, this coin's actually only been out for like 6 days. It's already listed up on CoinGecko. Yesterday, when I did the video on it, it was sitting over here at 0.00013. We've definitely shot up. We're up 80%. We're up 60% for the 24 hours and up 80% from all-time low. So as you guys can see, this coin's already making moves. So yeah, I mean, even if you want to just throw 40-50 bucks at it, just buy a bag of it and let it sit. You can pick it up on XEdge right now and Finance X. I don't use that one. I do mess around with XEdge because being American, we are slightly limited on what we can use. But yeah, that's where you go if you want to liquidate it. I'm just mining it to my MetaMask, and then when I do go to liquidate it, that's where I will go. But yeah, they're certainly giving off the illusion of trying to move fast, which I mean could be really good. We're in this pre-bull market territory. They're starting to pick up pace on their X or Twitter. They're starting to make some moves, but like they're only at 435 followers, so there's definitely a lot of room for people to jump onto this project, which, like, if they can keep their social media up, they are active in Discord. This could be like a nice little gain. Yesterday, this was sitting for 1 gigahash revenue was sitting around $6. It's currently at 816. So even though how many you can mine is certainly going down, yesterday in my video with my farm hash rate, I was looking at pulling around 46,000 of them in a day. Currently, I'm only sitting at 33,672 for a day, which I mean isn't bad. If you want to pull a million, mine's for like 2 or 3 weeks, so I'll have a million coins, or just go ahead and buy some coins. That's always an option, but I like to mine it. It's more fun. But yeah, so far over 24 hours, I've gotten paid out 30,000 and have a confirmed balance of 6,820. One reason why I am super excited about this coin, let's do the math right here really quick. Actually, so currently I'm sitting at, last time I checked, we'll actually add everything together. In my wallet, I have 235,585 plus, let's see, we'll say 6,800. We'll hit enter. So that's kind of what my combined balance is looking like right now together. Almost $250,000. Really freaking awesome. But if this coin were to even go upwards to, let's say, 2 cents times 0.02, that's almost 5 grand I make. And that's just with what I've mined so far. I'm still currently mining this coin, so there's a lot of room for the upside on it if it goes down. So right now I am paying, let's see, I'm paying $3 a day in electricity. So say I mine this a week, 3 times 7, that's 21 bucks. Say I lose 25 bucks with a chance of making 5,000. Sounds like some good odds for me. But yeah, this is just a Dogether update. Yeah, I definitely recommend checking out this coin. If not, just buy like 10, 20 bucks, stack it back. This is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe. Check out the comments down below. Help me out, help you out. Also comment what coins you're looking at to mine this bull market. Peace out.